In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create your own talking AI avatar just by using Canva. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys, step by step, how we can use Canva to make an amazing AI talking avatar. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your Canva home page like this. Okay, and you will click over here on Magic Studio like this. You will be directly in this page. What you need to do is you just need to scroll down. So just keep scrolling down like this, and you should see over here create magic with AI. Okay, you will swipe left like this, and you should see over here AI generated avatar. Click on this option like this, and as you can see, what you will do next, click over here on use in new design. Okay, and you're gonna choose the size of your AI Charkin avatar video. Okay, so if you want to make it for a video for like YouTube, you can choose this size. If you want to make it for Instagram post, for Instagram story, and so on. Okay, you can also choose custom size if you want. So for me, I'm gonna just choose a video. So just click on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you will do is you can upload your own picture and use it as an AI talking avatar, or you can choose those pictures over here. Okay, let's check those pictures. As you can see, there are a lot of pictures here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So just choose the picture that you want to make it as an AI avatar talking. I'm gonna choose this one, scroll down, and what you will do, you can upload your own voiceover from here. Okay, or what you can do, if you want, you can also put your YouTube script here, or your script, any script you want, and scroll down and choose your language over here. Okay, and you're gonna scroll down and choose the voiceover that you want to use. They have different voiceovers, as you can see over here. Okay, and you will scroll down, choose the style of your voiceover. If you want to make a, so if you want to make it sad, friendly, for customer service, chat, I'm gonna choose friendly, keep it in friendly, and you will scroll down and you will click over here on generate presenter. So for me, I'm gonna upload my own voiceover. I will click over here on upload audio, upload your own audio like this, and I will upload my own voiceover from my laptop. Okay, so let me see this one for example.
Coin. Can you show me one finger? One.
As you can see over here, I'm gonna click over here on open, and here you go. This is my voiceover. I will click over here on generate presenter, and your AI talking avatar will be done just in few seconds. Okay, so it will take just few seconds, so I will get back to you guys when this will be done and show you the final result.
Hold up one finger, we found it.
And here you go guys, your AI talking avatar is done. Okay, so let me see, let's check. I'm gonna zoom this page like this, as you can see. So let's check.
Hold up one finger, we found it. A shiny gold coin. Can you show me one finger? One coin, hooray. Two. Hold up two fingers. Oh, look, we found two more coins. Count with me. 1, 2, wiggle your two fingers like this. Awesome.
And as you can see guys, it's really amazing, and it will take just a few minutes to create an AI talking avatars just by using Canva. If you don't want, like I said, if you don't want to use those pictures over here, you can click on upload and you can upload your own picture. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this AI talking avatar will be download to your laptop, and you can go and use this AI talking avatar for YouTube Shorts, for Instagram, for TikTok, for any video you want. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.